Hello, welcome to Tech to Learn, where you learn coding and more. In this tutorial, we will learn about the different types of operators in C++. Operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values or literals like addition, subtraction, multiplication. This all are comes under operators. Now, basically, there are six type of operators in C++. First one is arithmetic operator, second one assignment operator, third relational operator, fourth logical operator, fifth bitwise operator, sixth one is some other operators which is used in C++.
We will learn each every operator in the next coming videos. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.